G'day guys, and welcome to the Aussie Tech channel. I'm going to have an unboxing video of the new Sony Live View remote for your Sony Action Cam. This is one of the first ones that came out, but I am looking at getting the new white one, and I'll do a video on that one when it comes out. So here we are, it's an unboxing for this. So I open it up. It's always noisy when you do these, so I apologise about that in advance. And we pull it out and see what's in the box. Whoops. Before we get to that, what else is in the box? Sony are pretty good at supplying some pretty cool stuff when you get these accessories. Now this one isn't the cheapest of ones. This is a $149 Australian, and all in here is a whole lot of manuals. See, here we are, a whole lot of manuals in here. So we've got the manuals. Put them over there. It's a lot of manuals. You get a cable, and of course there's this, which is the whole main point of this video. So we'll take this out. That is just plastic. So here we have is the Sony remote. We'll take this little plastic thing off. And here we are. Now I don't know fully about all the options on this yet. I've only just opened this up, so I'm as new to this as you are. We've got the record button obviously there, obviously for the menus, menu button, display. So we've got a lot of different options here. And then of course you can put this on your wrist, or obviously be able to find different ways to attach it to other means if you want to. And this allows you to control, as I was saying before, your Sony Action Cam. And it has a colour screen here, so you can see exactly where it's pointing, where of course you normally can't unless you're using the LCD screen for it, which I do also use a lot. So on the side here, let's zoom in, we've got the open latch. I don't know what that opens to, must go to the battery I'm guessing. Oh no, we've got a multi input there. So I don't know what to use that for, but I'll have to do some research. We've got on off here. I doubt very much it'll have any power, but I've turned it on, and look, it does actually have power. But we'll get into setting that up later. On this side you've got nothing. You've got your normal, of course, with what is baked, the record button, menu and display. And you've got your wrist. So I've already got a watch on. It's a good watch, that one. Look at that, it's 323. And you put that on, and then it allows you to control it when like in the water, stuff like that. You can actually see your point of view. And from what I hear, you can control up to, I believe, 4 of these with this one wristwatch or wrist control. So very good device. It's not cheap, as I said. It does retail at $149 Australian, but definitely one to look forward to using, and definitely one to get if you are a Sony Action Cam user. Well, I'm Ian. This is the Aussie Gamer. Catch you guys later.